It may seem like everyone's got this stay at home, work from home, social distancing thing all figured out, but you might feel differently. Loneliness, isolation, anxiety, and cabin fever might be kicking in, and those things aren't really the best companions right now. Loneliness is a feeling, not a fact, and no one can help you better than yourself. Thankfully, technology has evolved to the point that it gives us the option to connect with people, places, and even yourself. So, whether you are an introvert or an extrovert, here are some ways tech can help you deal with isolation. Reconnect. Talk. Message or call old friends and relatives that you didn't have the time to meet before the quarantine started. You can create chat rooms, do video calls, or simply connect with like minded people in forums and groups. Play games with family and friends. Since your friends can't physically be there with you, you can always play games together online. If you're on PC, great! Hop on Discord and see what games on Steam you have in common. If all you have is a smartphone, good! With a steady internet connection, there are still a ton of games you can play with your friends. You can also try starting a video conference to play guessing games and things like that. Binge watch at the same time. If you don't feel like playing games, then perhaps watch a TV show or movie with your friends instead. You can do this through the internet with the help of NetflixParty.com. It's a Chrome extension that will allow you to watch at the same time as your friends. Afterwards, you can talk about what you all think about the movie or your overall analysis, which will surely lead to a good conversation. Explore outside, virtually. If I could, I'd say get out there. But seriously, don't. Not right now. We recommend going on a virtual tour instead with Google Street View. If you really miss the outdoors, this will give you a glimpse of that in an interactive way. You can even go to North Korea if you're that curious. Make a new playlist. Music is one of the most effective mood boosters, so try making a fresh new playlist with songs you feel like listening to at the moment, or maybe even try a completely new genre. Explore music that resonates with your mood. Learn something new. This might sound cliche, but trying out something new that you've always wanted to can be quite therapeutic. It's not easy to figure out what you want to learn, but once you do, there's a ton of resources out there. Start by discovering tutorials on YouTube, look for free courses online. There are so many ways you can go about this. We have an article on our website for in-demand skills you can learn online. If you want to check that out, link in the description. Organize your digital life. Now that you have the time, you can now declutter and organize your smartphone, computer, tablet, and any other gadget you may have. It'll make you feel more productive in the long run, and it'll help you feel lighter and make things simpler. Last year, we actually made a minimalist smartphone setup guide, so if you're interested, you can check that out here. But if there's one thing that you should remember, guys, it's that you're not alone. We're all going through this very tough time together, so whether you're dealing with isolation or you're doing just okay, the best thing you can do is reach out. We here at Team Yugatech are generally doing okay, but what about you guys? Share with us your quarantine experiences in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey. Stay safe, stay home, and of course, stay hydrated.